She had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to add my curly hair extensions. I know I promised you in the last video that I was going to show you how I do my longer version of curly hair. So I'm a bit late, but the video is here. And don't mind me, guys. I got my period. I got my heating blanket on. If you don't have this, ladies, this is a game changer. So I'll make sure I'll link this down below because I sleep with this. I have it on all the time. And I love this when I have my period. And of course, I have my Starbucks matcha. I'm a matcha girly now. And I'll actually let you know what I drank because it's very, very good. But I do have an event later on. Well, not later. I have an event in like 2 hours. So I have to get this hair ready. As you can see, it's up in a bun. It's probably a bird's nest right now. So we got to fix that. And a little bit about my curly extension hair, guys. It's from the brand BEBIONA. I hope I'm saying that right. I feel like I butcher the name all the time. It is 280 grams. So one thing I always tell the ladies, if you want to get a longer curly hair extension, is to make sure that there's a lot of grams, because the difference between 180 grams versus 220 is the volume in the bottom of the hair. You don't want your natural hair to literally make the difference between the bottom, and you can tell if you have less grams in the bottom. So watch out for that. Yeah, I believe I got the 220, if not 300. I'll make sure and I'll link the one that I actually got below. But this is how it looks like, guys. I've used this hair already a bunch of times. I actually have to wash it, and that's the beauty about these clip-ins, guys, is that you can wash it, you could dye it, you could style it. It's real human hair and you can do whatever you want with it. I'm not going to be talking a whole lot in this video. I'm just going to show you the process that I go through this. Some things that I do use while refreshing my curls is obviously my mister, which you guys in my last video, if you haven't seen, I talk wonders about this. I love how it hydrates my hair. And then I just bought a new leave-in conditioner from Mixed Chicks. This is what I'm currently using. I'm actually open to other new products. I was using Curlsmith, but for some reason I don't know if it's too hot in Miami now or the humidity is just not doing really well with my curly hair. So if you guys have any recommendations for any other curling hair products, please leave a comment, and I'm open to just trying new things right now. And a last thing about the curly hair extensions, guys. Most of the girls ask me, how do you know your curl pattern? And it's super simple. If you can just look on Google, search different curly hair patterns, you'll see the actual form of the curls, if it's coiled, if it's more wavy, and they'll let you know if it's 2A, 3A, something like that. I got the 3A. I got the 3A because my hair is not super coily, but it's not wavy. It's like an in between of that. So I got 3A, 3B, and the color that I got is dark brown, and the light is a little bit lighter. But if you have jet black hair, again, you guys, you can dye this, you can do whatever you want with this. So let's start.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that don't just para. I'm a mind digger, I don't just live. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I play your condo life. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So as you can see, I'm already in the last part of my clip-ins. The beauty about having clip-ins is that you can section your hair however you want to section it. If you were seeing throughout the video, I'll let you know how many clip-ins I was using per section of my head. I usually like to go with the 3 clips in the bottom, and then I'll do the 4 clips more up here so it could look fuller. For today, I'm gonna do the side part, so I'm just gonna coil my whole front side of my bangs, and then I'll probably, I don't know if I have time to dry it off a little bit with my blow dryer, but either way, if I let it air dry, everything will look very good together. So let me finish my bangs and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look with my curly hair extensions. As you can see, I dried it up a little bit more with the blow dryer, but it's literally seamless. You can't even tell that I have hair extensions on right now. I can grab it, put it forward, and if you want to put a hair clip in the back, you can, and put this hair to the side. But honestly, you guys, purchasing the Curl BEBIONA hair extensions are one of the best things that I've gotten because I use this a lot. If I'm out for an event or if I just want to switch my hair from short to long, I have the pleasure to do so. So if you guys are interested in buying your curly hair extensions, I'll make sure to leave my link down below. And trust me when I tell you, you're gonna love it. I'm not even I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not anything, but you will love it just how I do. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, you guys. My channel is finally growing. I'm so excited for everybody who's here, if it's for my hair or if it's for fitness or all the above. My podcast will be coming back here on this channel. And I am super duper excited for that, you guys. And if you're not following me yet on Instagram or on YouTube, what are you doing? Do you even love me? Or please follow now. So guys, I gotta go. I gotta head to this event, and I will catch you later. Mwah.